So the first thing to do is to define your goal. This is really important. It's kind of a starting point of working with influencers. It is very important to set up your goal first so that you can go straight to the point. You can stay focused on what you have to do and save a lot of time and reach your goal faster and easier. Okay, so as I told you, in that course, I wanted to use a random product. So I decided to choose a portable barbecue. The reason is it's summertime right now. So I thought it would be very cool to use a portable barbecue. And to be honest, it's pretty random. I never sold any product like that one. So I'm going to show you really how easy to sell a product like this, or at least to work with influencers with a product like portable barbecues. So when you have your product or your brand, you have to know what you exactly want to do. So maybe you want to increase sales. You have some sales, but maybe it's not enough, or you want to increase maybe more sales and develop the business. Maybe you want to increase the traffic on your website if you have e-commerce, or maybe you have a dropshipping business, right? Or also, you probably have a new brand, and of course, no one knows you yet. So what you want to do is you want to increase the brand awareness. Okay? So it is really important to know what you want first, so then you can find the best way to reach that, right? So when you define a goal, there is a formula that is really easy, but what is really important when you set up a goal is to be extremely specific. So a goal is an action with a X, which is the specific part. Usually it's a number and a time frame. So for example, it can be 1 week, 2 weeks, July 10th, or anything. So what is really important is to have a specific goal, because more the goal is specific, easier it is to be focused and to reach that goal. So if you reach that goal faster, then you can go to the next goal, etc., etc. And it will be very easier for you to grow the business and to work with influencers, because if you have a specific goal, it's also easier for influencers to understand what is your goal, right? So as an example, with the portable barbecue, maybe I want to sell 20 portable barbecue through my sale page by July 10th, 2018. I have maybe e-commerce or dropshipping business setup. Maybe another goal can be to reach 10,000 monthly unique visitors within 12 months. So this one is more a long-term goal, but still very important. And if you want, you can even be a little bit deeper. So in that 10,000 monthly unique visitor, you want maybe in January 1,000, February 1,500, March 2,000, etc., etc. Okay. Or maybe there is another goal. You want to publish 15 articles of 400 words about the portable barbecue in 15 influencers' blog within 2 weeks. So with the influencers, you can also be more specific by writing the subject, the topic, or the niche of each influencers. For example, the barbecue, you can maybe you can work with influencers that talk about camping only. Like for people who go on holiday in the camping, they want to bring their portable barbecue, maybe. It can be an option. So it is really important, again, to set up a specific goal, and also, very important, doable. If you set up a very high goal, a very difficult goal, first, what will happen is you might not reach it, and second of all, you're gonna lose motivation and probably give up. And it's exactly what you don't want to do. You want to reach the goal of working with influencers, right? Okay, so as a recap, a goal is an action with a specific X, a number, and a time frame, right? Okay,